Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you'll want to obviously open up settings. Actually, I have it right here. There we go. From settings, scroll all the way down to system, reset options, and then select erase all data factory reset. And here you'll find a list of things that it will remove, so make sure that everything here that it will remove, you're okay with it. If you want to keep some of those things that are listed right here, do make a copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be permanently removed. Now, assuming you have already made that copy or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting erase all data. Do that once more. Now, for me, it jumps straight to erasing it, obviously. But if you have some kind of screen lock, you do need to confirm it. When you first time press the erase all data, it will prompt you with a screen lock, and then once you confirm it, you can select it again. Anyway, this will now take probably like 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. That's an interesting start from a freshly restored device or resetted device. SideSense isn't working or responding. I guess close up. So anyway, as you can see, the process is now finished. You can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.